On this week's Medical Weight Loss Clinic Minute, a new non-prescription appetite suppressant and fat burner.
Medical Weight Loss Clinic has always offered customized weight loss services, and we pride ourselves in developing weight loss solutions for our patients. And with that in mind, we are thrilled to now offer TrimXCEL. It's a non-prescription appetite suppressant. It's truly superior to anything you can find over the counter, and its blend of ingredients has been specifically designed for our weight loss programs and designed for the person that's looking for a holistic appetite suppressant that truly works. So what does TrimXCEL do? It does a variety of things. First and foremost, it controls your appetite. It also increases the amount of serotonin that's in your body. Serotonin is what sends a message to our brains that we are full. It also improves our mood and makes us happy. TrimXCEL also blocks the absorption of fat into the bloodstream, and it enhances how our bodies metabolize fats and carbohydrates. So what does that mean? Well, what it means is in one capsule, you actually have something that will control your appetite, increase your weight loss, give you more energy, and make you happy. In addition to the TrimXCEL, we also offer several other weight loss enhancing products. One of our most popular is our ThermoPLUS. It's an actual thermogenic fat burner. It increases your internal thermostat so that you burn more calories. And when you burn more calories, you lose more weight. To find out more about our weight loss enhancing products and our services, all it takes is an initial consultation at any of our 31 conveniently located Michigan or Toledo, Ohio clinics. And it's as simple as calling 1-800-GET-SLIM.